I'm not cruising my big rig. I'm watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
So we are at Rush Truck Center, Peterbilt dealership in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm going to walk over here and show you some new Peterbilts. They don't currently have anything for sale. Everything they have is sold. We'll show you a little bit of porn here and what they do have on the lot. Be cool if we could show you the body shop side today too. I don't know what colors these are. I think this could be a cream colored like mine, or a diamond white. That might be a diamond. I'd have to see my truck next to it to tell. I think this is a black, and I think Steve did a video on this one. So it's got the brown frame. I think is that brown or is that black? I think it's black. I guess I'm hard to tell these colors. But anyway, you guys want to know about all these trucks, just go watch Peterbilt Steve's videos and he'll tell you all about them. It's a good looking gray. Has all the smoked lights on it like mine has. And here's your tricked out green one. They got a green one back here in the shop they're working on, unless this might be it. Now Sammy, Makes Sense YouTube channel, I'll put a link down there in the description for him. This is the color he wants. This is a flat top Pete, and it looks to be a 280. So yeah, it's a flat top, probably about a 280. So Sammy, you can handle that, but I'm more of a fan of the mid-roof version. I don't think it's the one they had in the shop. The one they have in the shop, they're painting all the dash pieces green. Yeah, so luckily this is not the one, because they got one in the shop that painted all that green. We'll see if I can't get in there and show you that after a while. And then that looks like a black cherry. It's a really cloudy, overcast day, but that's another short wheelbase truck. That looks like another 280. I call a 280 a stubby truck. I love my 290. I think my next one might even be a 300, but I love the 290. And this 280, I call it stubby, which is really not that short. You know, most of these things are 265s. But anyway, and then there's a purple. Yeah, there's a purple with the miter cut exhaust. Notice everything on the ground today's got Goodyear tires. Just not a fan of Goodyears. I like my Bridgestones. I don't know how these. Look at that real shiny lug. I wonder what those shiny lugs are for. Look at that. It's kind of weird, isn't it? And there's a brown. It just came in from the plant because they don't have anything done to it yet. No chrome, no lights, no nothing. So we got a blank canvas here to do whatever you want to. So it's got Yokohamas. This might be a different type spec truck than what they normally sell. It's got the X15 there. It's got a Cummins in it, 18 speed with Peterbilt stock seats. Yeah, I have a feeling this is not. I don't know. Maybe that's what they look like before Rush gets a hold of them. I haven't seen the Yokohamas out. I like Yokohama tires. It's a nice tire. I like how this sidewall is a little bit. I wonder if that'll hold up better than those Bridgestones. I'm gonna switch from Bridgestones after this next set. That's a 703. I had a set of 726s, man. Love them things. I like how this is done better than that, because I take those off. I take that off, but now I got to put a stainless cover on it, because this is considered a frame piece. And they want $800 for that. And that right there is a good-looking flat top. Holy smokes, man! That's a good-looking flat top there. Just solid color, simple. It might be a. Is that a black cherry? Legendary black. I don't know what color that is. I think it's this is black, and I think so. I think this is different than that. I believe. So I really don't know. It's really hard to tell with such an overcast day. So yeah, got the smoked lights on it already, and I don't know what color this is. But this is all they have on the front lot, and like I said, all these trucks are sold. Now see, this has got the Bridgestones on it. Got the Bridgestone 283 on the front, which 22 5s, not 24 5s. And 710s on the rear. And interesting. So yeah, that's all they got on the lot, on the ground, and everything is sold. So that's pretty good. They moved them all, man. I think they got more on the way, but it could be a while. Let's walk over here and show you the used truck side. And if you look at that, they got a beautiful W9 studio over here on the rack for sale. Let's go show you what that looks like. So here's that used W9 they've got. I tell you, I just love this paint scheme. I always have been one of my favorite colors. So if any of you guys are looking for a used W9, it's got a nice bull bumper on it. I'd say she's ready to hit the ground running. I haven't talked to Steve about it. I don't know what's in there. I think it might have it's got a Cummins in there. I don't know which one it is. Don't know anything about it. But looks like she's got some oil leaks there. But got disc brakes on the front. Got lights on it there. But anyway, it's a good looking. That's a good looking truck. I'm pretty sure it's a studio. Doesn't say studio. But got the 4 fenders on the back. Anyway, it's a good looking truck, man. Needs a new home. Somebody needs to come and give this little girl some love. Beautiful truck. Beautiful truck. Okay, here's a couple 300-inch. Well, I think they're 300. It might not be, but anyway, they're flat top, used flat tops for sale. I don't have any idea of the year. I didn't talk to Steve about his inventory. I'm just out here walking around killing time, fixing to call, making an emergency dentist appointment. That could be a 300. The Rigmaster is just a massive Rigmaster on that. These are probably 2 or 3 year old trucks, I guess. I'd just trade them in for a new one. You know, I don't know. There was another one sitting here yesterday. They might have sold it. I'll tell you what, this place can move some inventory. They don't let anything sit around very long at all. Looks like got some new steers on it. Let's go up here and show you this little stubby truck. This green, old school looking flat top with the straight cut exhaust pipes on it. That's probably going to be a 379, I guess. It's going to be an older truck. Another W9 Icon 900. with a small sleeper on it. Another W9 just rolling in. What's wrong, you W9 guys trading your trucks in for a Peterbilt? It's got the double hump fenders on it. And here's another black Pete for sale. I'll tell you what, man, I gotta cut this short. I got a call. I got a abscess tooth or something going on. Talking about some pain. Got a lot of 13 roof lights all smoked. This looks like one of his recent upgrades. Still has the mini pearl seat. I still have that on mine, so I'll be able to trade mine in. It looks like it might be new. Yeah, I don't know. Got the nice Hodge built hat fenders on. Yeah, this one might be a new one. I don't know why it's sitting over here in the used lot. Tanks are really dull, but they could have come out of the factory that way, you know. Factory polish sometimes sucks, you know. I don't know. Okay, that's it. I gotta wrap this up. Hello, Ben Irick from Tuckahoe, New York. How you doing today? We're up here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, where they build the biggest, baddest, best of the best Peterbilts. Come on. Just thought I'd shoot you a little video. Tell you hello from Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're up here getting our Peterbilt pimped out. Thought I'd give you a shot of some real Peterbilts.
Hey Tim, this is Ben Irick from Tuckahoe, New York. You are watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.